Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Liam's cooking. What are you cooking?
I just cracked the egg.
And what are we gonna make?
Pancake.
So what did you use?
I used butter.
What else?
Egg, but there's no inside of it. So crack it here.
And then
What is this?
it's a pancake mix. Okay, and then what will you do with the eggs and butter?
Make it soft.
Okay.
That's gonna say soft.
All right. Come on, mix it. Okay. Next, what will you do?
It put water. Put water, Dad. It put water.
Okay. Put the water slowly. Slowly.
There.
Put it all in. Everything. Pour everything inside. Good.
Wow.
And then we're gonna mix it.
The mount is still alive over here.
Okay.
I don't think the mount is alive anymore.
Yeah, you mix it slowly, okay? Until it. Okay, careful. Careful, not on the side. It's in the center. Let me get everything inside.
The mount is not alive anymore. Ew, so slimy.
Slowly. Put everything inside. Tap it. Okay, good job.
It's denser than water.
It's what?
It's floating.
Yep. Okay.
The eggs float.
And then mix it. Slowly. Make sure it doesn't spill on the side. Slowly.
Wait a second. There's still a little bit of orange or brown here.
Yeah, that's the butter.
Why is it still there?
Just mix it. Keep on mixing it until it's all fluffy. Oh, just slowly.
It's in it. Okay, the bread. Time to pass it. The piece done.
Alright, so what were you doing right now?
Cooking.
Let me show me.
Here is.
Not so close. What did you do?
Let's cook this.
Okay.
It takes how many minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay. Burn.
Alright, excuse me. Move back.
Burn.
And what is that? Does it smell yummy?
Yep. It's a giant toast.
Come on, it's very hot.
It's a giant toast. It's a giant toast. It's a giant toast. It's a giant toast.
Made by?
Two eggs and what? Forget to like and subscribe to RE Pancake in YouTube and Facebook. And this is 145 likes. See you later, bye.